today we will talk about how to auto fit these cells in Excel. Let's say I am writing over here name. Let's say I am clicking over here. Let's say name of department. I am writing it name of department. So let's say this cell we want to have auto fit by the Excel like this. You can check it out here like this. So this, how will you implement it? So let's say I am writing another value. Let's say here class roll number. So check it out, this is now also not auto fit. So how will you do it? You click on this sheet, you click right click over here. In here a dialog box will open. From here you can check on the view code option. Now in view code you can click out here, the general will be selected. You click on the drag down button here worksheet. Now you click right here cells dot entire column. Here you choose the entire column and then you click dot auto fit just like this and press enter. Now you close this and you will check it out. When you click over here, these columns will be auto fit. Let's say I am writing another value 1 here, so you can check it out, the column entirely is fitting just like this. I am clicking over here. Now I am clicking something like this. You can check out the columns, these are auto fitting just like this. You can auto fit the entire columns in Excel without doing too much. Thank you.